Hi guys, you manipulate SQL Server database of AX 2012 for reporting or Power BI purpose. We open SQL Server Management Studio, click New Query, select a specific database DAX 6.0 R3 CU8, then try a script to query rows of subledgers with certain data area. In some table data, you got confused with values attracted just show numbers only. You got numbers of posting layer, status, and type columns. We know these values are base enumeration in Dynamics AX. In the following sample, I will show you how to get fully list of base enumeration in Dynamics AX for your reference. Let's go. This is Wordpress article I refer for the sample. You can copy the link for further reference. Go to MorphX IDE. Create a new private project. Call this enum project. Within the project, create a new table. Call base enum list containing list of enums values. Create new string field called base enum ID. Create new string field called base enum name inherited name extended data type. Create new integer field called element count. Create new string field called element value inherited name extended data type. The last one is new string field called element label, also inherited name extended data type. Now, I already finished to create 5 fields in table-based enum list. Continuously, I create a new job called list all enums. Then copy the script and paste into the job. You should write something like info log to get the status after job finished. Ensure whether the job is running well. You click compile. Okay, we check the job again. Base enum ID should be integer data type. The next error is showing on element count column. After check, it should be string data type. Compile and check again. Oh, it's getting for element label column. Yeah, just correct the name. Alright, everything should be okay. Now click run the job list on enums. It's running. Wait a few seconds. Yeah, it's finished already with info log. Have a check on the table-based enum list. Yes, it shows many base enumerations by the script. You check on rows and press shortcut keys. Ctrl T to export into Excel file. So many rows are exporting. Wait a few seconds more. After finish the export, the system will open Excel file automatically. This is the final result we expected. From this file content, You can find a base enum in the Dynamics AX, like posting tab, which lists out labels according to values. Okay, that's all for my video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.